Dear students, welcome to today's lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discussing about flash type or simultaneous type ADC. In the last lectures, we discussed about different types of DACs like weighted resistor type DAC and R2R ladder type DAC. In this lecture, we are going to discuss flash type ADC, that is an analog to digital converter. Okay, flash type ADC, that the basic working principle of a flash type ADC is comparing an unknown analog input voltage with a reference voltage. That is a comparison of analog input voltage with a set of reference voltages. For that we need some comparators and we need some reference voltages. Okay, so for suppose if there are n number of digital signals, then we need 2 raised to n minus 1 comparators and 2 raised to n resistors for dividing the reference voltages. That is, for n bit n output bits, we need 2 raised to n minus 1 comparators, 2 raised to n minus 1 comparators and 2 raised to n resistors. In flash type ADC, for n output bits, we need 2 raised to n minus 1 comparators and 2 raised to n resistors. Suppose if there are n is equal to 2, then we need 2 raised to 2 minus 1, that is equal to 3 comparators and 2 raised to n, that is 4 resistors. For n is equal to 2. Okay. So for example, we can draw a 2-bit ADC, 2-bit flash type ADC. That is 2-bit means n is equal to 2 and we need 3 comparators and 4 resistors. Okay. So the diagram is, this is a 2-bit flash type ADC. The diagram is, it consisting of 3 comparators. This is comparator number 1, this is 2 and this is 3 comparators. And this is an op-amp. The positive terminal and the negative terminals of the op-amps, and this is the output terminal. So this is the comparator 1, this is the comparator 2 and this is the comparator 3. And for the comparator, for the working of comparator, we need 2 input, that is comparing the voltages at the positive terminals and the negative terminal. Okay, so here the flash type ADC, that is working based on comparing an unknown analog input voltage, and this is an ADC. So ഒരു അനലോഗ് ഇൻപുട്ട് വോൾട്ടേജിനെ ഒരു റെഫറൻസ് വോൾട്ടേജുമായിട്ടാണ് കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഒരു ടെർമിനലിൽ എല്ലാ കമ്പാരറ്റേഴ്സിൻ്റെയും ഒരു ടെർമിനലിൽ നമ്മുടെ അനലോഗ് ഇൻപുട്ട് വോൾട്ടേജ് ആണ് അല്ലേ. അപ്പം ഓൾ പോസിറ്റീവ് ടെർമിനൽസിലാണ് നമ്മൾ അനലോഗ് ഇൻപുട്ട് വോൾട്ടേജ് കണക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ദറ്റ് ഈസ് പോസിറ്റീവ് ടെർമിനൽസ് ആർ കണക്റ്റഡ് ടുഗദർ ആൻഡ് we give analog input Vi. This is an analog input. And for n is equal to 2, this is a 2-bit ADC and it consisting of 2 raised to n comparators and 2 raised to n resistors. That is 2 raised to n resistance means 4 resistors. That is resistor 1 that is connected to the negative terminal and another resistance that is also connected negative terminal, then resistance that is connected to the negative terminal, one resistance that is grounded. So this is the reference voltage V plus voltage V. This is R. And the output of the comparators that is given to a coding circuit, and the output of coding circuit is a bit, that is B1 and B2 bit. This is a coding circuit. Okay, this is the circuit diagram of a 2-bit flash type ADC. Then how it works, and 2-bit flash type ADC, the coding circuit that consisting of some XOR gate and some AND gate. Okay, so this is the plus V voltage, and what is the voltage at this point? That is this is resistance R, then another resistance R, then another resistance R, another resistance is grounded. This is R, 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 and this is plus V volt. Then what is the voltage at this point? At this point, voltage means this point to this point to this point. So the total voltage into resistance of these three resistance, that is 3R divided by total resistance 4R, that is RR cancel, then this voltage is 3V. ഈ പൊട്ടൻഷ്യൽ ആണ്, that is dividing here അല്ലേ. So this potential is this V, that is dividing between these two resistors. So V into 2R divided by 4R, that is V by 2. V by 2, that is 2V by 4, that is V by 2. And here the potential is V by 4. So here the potential is 3V by 4, here the potential is 2V by 4, here is V by 4. So this comparator get two input, that is one VI voltage and 3V by 4. And this comparators again get two voltages, that is input voltage VI and this voltage, that is 2V by 4, this voltage 2V by 4. Again these comparators that also get this voltage and this voltage. Then comparing, and the comparing output is given to the coding circuit. Okay, this is the circuit diagram of a 2-bit flash type ADC, and it consisting of 3 comparators and the resistors, 4 resistors and some coding circuit. Here the input VI, analog input VI, that is fed to the positive input terminal of the comparators, and different reference voltages are fed to the negative terminal of the comparators. Suppose if the positive voltage is greater than the negative voltage, then the output of this comparator, output of the particular comparator become high, else the output of the comparator become low. So here the input voltage VI is compared with 3 reference voltages, that is 3V by 4, V by 4 and 2V by 4. This is a comparator 1. The reference voltage for the comparator 1 is V by 4 and reference voltage for comparator 2 is 2V by 4 and the reference voltage for comparator 3 is 3V by 4. Okay. Then the analog input VI is compared with these reference voltages and the result is obtained at the output of the comparators, and this result is indicated as C1, C2, C3. C1, C2, C3. And this output, this information, this 3-bit information, that is used to convert, usually to given to a coding circuit, and this encoder circuit used to convert this 3-bit digital data into equivalent 2-bit digital data, that is B1 and B2. Okay, suppose for the input voltage for comparison, suppose 0 less than Vi less than V by 4, 0 less than, Vi is less than V by 4. Vi is less than V by 4. So this output of this comparator എന്തായിരിക്കും? നമ്മുടെ ഇൻപുട്ട് വോൾട്ടേജ് വി ബൈ ഫോറിനേക്കാളും ലെസ് ആണെങ്കിൽ ഈ നെഗറ്റീവ് ടെർമിനലിലായിരിക്കും ഹൈ പൊട്ടൻഷ്യൽ ഉണ്ടാവുക. വി ബൈ ഫോറിനേക്കാളും ചെറുതാകുമ്പോൾ ഈ പൊട്ടൻഷ്യൽ ചെറുതാണ്, ഈ പൊട്ടൻഷ്യൽ അതിലും ചെറുതാണ്. സോ ദ ഔട്ട്പുട്ട് ഓഫ് ദിസ് കമ്പാരറ്റർ C1 ഈസ് 0 and C2 is 0 and C3 is also 0 അല്ലേ? This is three comparators. This comparator 1 that has a reference voltage of this is comparator 3. The reference voltage is 3V by 4. The output is C3. And this is a comparator 2 plus minus 2V by 4. This is C2. And this is plus minus C1 V by 4. This is all the positive terminals are connected together to the Vi. So V0 less than Vi less than V by 4. V by 4 നേക്കാളും കുറവാണെങ്കിൽ all comparator output, that is C1, C2, C3, the output are 0. And suppose V by 4 is less than Vi less than or equal to V by 2. Then output is this comparator Vi is greater than V by 4. V by 4 നേക്കാളും greater ആണ്, but less than 2V by 4. Then this output of comparator 1 become C1 become 1 and C2 become 0, C3 become 0. Okay. Again for V by 2 less than Vi less than or equal to 3V by 4. Then these two become 1 and these two become, this one becomes 0. Then 3V by 4 less than Vi less than V. Then all the output is 1. Just to compare here input voltage which. Then all the output is. Then what is a digital output? That is B2 and B1. What is a digital output? B2 and B1. So the digital output that given to some coding circuit. This coding circuit consisting of an XOR gate and AND gate. So the XOR gate, what is the expression for XNOR gate? For XNOR gate, then 0 0 the output is 1, 0 1 0, 1 0 0 and 1 1 the output is 1. So and you know the truth table for AND gate. Then you given to these values to this coding circuit and you get the output voltages B1 and B2, B1 and B2 for different combinations, that is like 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1 combinations. Okay. Next is the block diagram of a 3-bit ADC. So for 3-bit ADC, how many comparators are required? For 3-bit ADC, that is 2 raised to 3 minus 1. That is 2 raised to 3, 8 minus 1, 7 comparators. That is 7 comparators. That is C1, C2, C1, C2, C3, C4, C5 and C6 and C7 comparators. And then how many resistors? 2 raised to n. 2 raised to 3, 8. Then 8 resistors. And the reference voltage positive terminal is connected together and we give the analog input voltage, and the negative terminal, this is a dividing networks, 8 resistors. So this potential 7V by 8, here 6V by 8, 5V by 8, 4V by 8 like that. And is given to a coding circuit, and the output of coding circuit is a different digital input. This is the circuit block diagram for a 3-bit flash ADC. Here we compare different combination. For For comparator 1, first comparison is 0 less than Vi less than V by 8. Second is V by 8 less than Vi less than 2V by 8. Then third 2V by 8 നും 3V by 8 നും എടുക്കുക. അടുത്തത് 3ക്കും 4 this combination. അടുത്തത് this combination. അങ്ങനെ different combinations ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. That is the block diagram of a 3 by 3 bit ADC. Okay. For 3 bit ADC, the coding circuit is a complex one that is accept 7 input and delivers 3 bit informations. And so this coding circuit is normally realized by using some priority encoders. And some advantages of flash type ADCs are the simultaneous or flash type ADC is the fastest one because analog to digital conversion is performed simultaneously through a set of comparators. And the construction is simple and easy to design. And the main disadvantages is not suitable for high resolution analog to digital conversion as the hardware requirement is very high. There is a number of comparators required is very large, that is 2 raised to n minus 1 for n bit case. Number of comparators, suppose if there are 4 bit, then we require 2 raised to 4 minus 1, 15 comparators. So the number of comparators required is very large. That is a main disadvantage of flash type ADC. Okay, thank you.